Hi everybody, this is David Kino with Value Charts, and this is the free video for Wednesday, July 13th, 2016. So we had an interesting after the opening range day today in Amazon. What's kind of cool was we were watching Amazon, surprised actually as to how much bearishness we had in this. Basically, it was a continuation from yesterday's move lower. We were looking at this triple bottom right here, almost an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And we actually were watching it, and then all of a sudden, in the 75 tick chart, we saw this really quick move to the upside. And it seemed to be that what happened was Amazon released a bit of news that yesterday, which is July 12th, is their Prime Day, was the biggest day ever they had in online sales. So the market took that and ran with it. At this point, Amazon was down $2. From that time, which just took just probably within just 30 seconds, moved higher. Here, 949, 950. We were watching it, and we got to the point where we had this triple top. We bought some puts, played this pullback right here, watch it go up again, and then played this pullback again for the second time. Now right here, we bounce up almost like a head and shoulders pattern, and we buy some more puts. Now at this point, we are watching this level, which is roughly $750 and a half. So we had a series of lows finding support right in this area, but we noticed this was a descending wedge. So we held on to those puts, and right here, roughly about 11 o'clock, we started to break lower. Now what's really cool about this whole time we had the intraday Launchpad workspace pointing lower. So Launchpad strategy was pointing in a downward direction on the very small intraday time frame. What's very interesting is about the time, a couple of minutes before it started to really break lower, breaking a support, on the swing trading time frame, the very short-term time frame on the swing trading workspace broke lower. So right here, confirming the momentum move, a last kiss touch right here, 750.48, and then here's the break lower. Now the thing that helped fuel this, the markets were also pulling back at the time. This point of support was very important because the majority of the buying that occurred after that news from Amazon that came out was up in this area. So at this point, when we started to break lower, everybody that jumped on the bandwagon was now losing money. So the last kiss move, and then people started to bail out fairly quickly, and this fall was right back to the area right around where we were just prior to the news release. So you can see we came all the way down, found support, bounced. Now we're making a bit of a bottoming formation and starting to bounce higher. But the important factor here is that when you do get a pennant or a descending wedge like this, you're trying to judge which direction we're going to break, up or down. But in this case, Launchpad strategy bailed us out, gave us an indication that we were going to break to the downside. You can even see we had a squeeze here in VBT. Right here in this consolidation pattern, you have roughly, you probably had about 10 minutes to get a bearish position, and we go from 750 all the way to 744. A nice 6-point move. That's roughly $400 a contract on a Delta 70 option. So really nice move. Continuation pattern, and very profitable if you just read your Launchpad workspace properly. Thank you.